Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome here, you beautiful person. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Brave browser high CPU and memory usage. Alright, so I had this problem myself and I fixed this issue by simply implementing this method. So make sure you watch this video, make sure you watch that till the very end and subscribe for more tutorials. I would really appreciate it. Alright, so now the first method, what you have to do is to simply open Brave browser and then go to settings, and here in settings make sure you write here in the search box, in the search, just write something like hardware, and here you see use hardware acceleration when available. Make sure here you disable use a hardware acceleration when available, and also disable continue running background apps when a Brave is closed. Make sure you turn off both of these features options here, and also clean your browser history, and as well as turn off disable some of the extensions you do not need. All right, so make sure you're doing that, and this is gonna help you a lot. So make sure you just turn off all the extensions that you don't need, and that's pretty much it. You can also reinstall Brave, but I can't guarantee you that will give you any better results. All right, so that's pretty much the video. I really hope, guys, this video helped you. Make sure you start your computer after doing all these steps, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.